Hello everyone and welcome to Solving Solo series for CAT examinations. Solving one question at one time. Pause the video and try to solve. And I hope you must have solved this. A simple question from simple interest, but a very good question to learn Rule 6, that is butterfly diagram. Arhit invests rupees 30,000 at a rate of 5% per annum simple interest. We know the formula to calculate simple interest, that is PRT by 100. How much more should he invest at the rate of 8% so that he can earn a total of 6% per annum? So if we try to frame an equation, we'll get 30,000 into 5 into 1 by 100 plus x into 8 into 1 by 100 equals 30,000 plus x into 6 into 1 by 100. Total, we need to earn 6%. Let's solve this. 100 gone. So I have 1,50,000 plus 8x equals 1,80,000 plus 6x. 2x is 30,000. So x is 15,000. So Arhit need to invest 15,000 more so that on the whole he can earn 6% interest. Now, can we do this easily with help of our mixture concept? Yes. Rule 6, jungle rule, butterfly diagram. And that will help us in solving these type of question in 5 seconds. 5% interest combined with 8% interest should give us 6% interest. Difference between 5 and 6 is 1. We are looking out for absolute difference. And difference between 8 and 6 is 2. That means investment held in the ratio of 2:1. 2 means 30,000. Then 1 means 15,000. Answer. Keep practicing, subscribe to our channel, and I hope this is clear with all of you. Thank you. I'll see you soon.